Norwegian Cruise Line has just released details about some major enhancements to their private island, Great Stirrup Cay. Stick around and I'll reveal all the juicy details. If you're new to the channel, my name's Gareth, and if you'd like to stay in touch, hit that subscribe button, and if you really enjoyed the video, click that like button. Let's dive in. So, they've revealed plans for a huge expansion, headlined by an all-new 6-acre water park opening in summer 2026, along with a whole host of other additions designed to give guests even more to enjoy when they step ashore. Whether you're travelling with the kids, looking for a bit of excitement, or just fancy swinging in a hammock with a drink in hand, there's something coming for everyone. Let's start with the main attraction, the Great Tides Waterpark. Wow, this sounds amazing. It's going to be one of the biggest additions NCL has ever made to an island. It'll feature 19 water slides. Yes, 19 water slides. A nearly 800-foot river, and something NCL is calling the cruise industry's first cliffside jumps, with platforms at 10 and 15 feet high. That might be one for the brave amongst us. I mean, I think I would give it a go, but would you? Let us know in the comments. The centrepiece will be the Tidal Tower. Standing at 170 feet, it's set to be home to 8 major slides, including some multi-person racing slides and a couple of proper thrillers with sharp drops and spirals. Some of the slides will even have conveyor belts to bring your raft to the top, which, let's be honest, is exactly what you want after a couple of buffet stops on board. Now, all of this isn't just for the adrenaline junkies, there's also lots for the family too. For younger kids, there's a 9,000 square foot splash zone in the works, with an oversized tipping bucket, interactive water features and 8 mini slides. There's also going to be a 4-person family slide, and right underneath it, hidden away, is the grotto bar. Perfect if you want to keep an eye on the action with a cocktail in hand. And also, that dynamic river I mentioned earlier will have several entry points and even an illuminated grotto tunnel, which sounds like it'll be one of the more relaxing spots to float through. Elsewhere on the island, NCL is introducing a mini jet kart track. It's like go-karting but on water. It sounds like a bit of a wild card, that one, but it's definitely something different, and I'd definitely be up for giving it a go. One of the standout new areas will be the Great Life Lagoon, a 1.4-acre pool area with swim-up bars, plenty of lounges, private cabanas and family-friendly splash areas. And each of the bars is going to be designed with its own feel, one for chilled out pool vibes and the other with a DJ playing music throughout the day. If you're more into the slower pace of things, don't worry, they've got you covered with Hammock Bay. It'll have over 50 hammocks dotted around, plus a nearby bar and access to a barbecue buffet. And for something a bit more active, NCL is adding Horizon Park, a recreational space with lawn games, pickleball courts, mini golf, and even a half sports court. Also, for adults looking for a quieter, more exclusive experience, the Vibe Shore Club is being expanded too. It's an adult-only section with upgraded lounges, day beds, and a private bar, and even villas available to rent. There's a day pass required to enter, but it looks like it's going to be well worth the splurge if you're looking for a more relaxed area away from the families. Just to be clear, great parts of the Great Stirrup Cay are included in your cruise. The beaches, the pools, lounges, games, and even tram access, but a few features will cost extra. Specifically, access to the new Great Tides Waterpark, any cabana rentals. Also, the jet karts experience will come at an additional price. Drink packages like More at Sea do include drinks at the island bars, which is a nice perk. I mean, this is sounding pretty cool. I mean, we're not sponsored by NCL in the slightest, we're just bringing this news to you, but wow, it sounds pretty tempting. I mean, it sounds a little bit like Coco Cay, but it has got those differences. I mean, the cliff jumps sound pretty cool. So I'm intrigued. Let us know what you think. Is this something that would encourage you to book with NCL so you can check out this fantastic water park, or is it just simply not for you? Let us know in the comments. Well, thank you so much for sticking around. If you've enjoyed this, be sure to hit that like button, and until next time, stay cheeky, sailors.